The Eastern Connecticut State University baseball team was playing its third game in 3 days. The Warriors hosting Salve Regina University. Eastern Connecticut had lost to Salve last year after beating them the 3 previous times, so the Warriors were looking for revenge. This one started out on the right foot, though. After Salve scored the first run of the game, Eastern answered right back with 3 runs in the bottom of the second inning in support of starting pitcher Patrick O'Neill, who was in search of his first ever career win. Eastern Connecticut scored those 3 runs in the second inning with an RBI by Eastern Connecticut's Andrew Scully. That gave Eastern Connecticut the early lead, and the Warriors continued to pile it on. They added 1 more in the 4th, 2 more in the 5th, 1 more in the 6th, another one in the bottom of the 7th. They went up by a score of 10-1. Scoring right there was Brendan Lynch for the Warriors. Eastern Connecticut ended up scoring in 5 of the 8 innings in which they batted. Virtually everyone on the team contributed either a hit, a run, or an RBI. The leading hitters were Andrew Scully, who would end up being the Little East Player of the Week. Scully had 3 hits. He was 3 for 4 with 2 RBIs. Other top hitters with 2 hits for Eastern were the leadoff hitter Brendan Lynch, Mike Vaccarelli, another senior, Tim Budd, a first-year sophomore catcher, also got into the act for the Warriors. Eastern Connecticut supported the pitching of Patrick O'Neill, Pat Barnett, and Adam Merritt with 15 hits off of 6 Salve Regina pitchers. Gavin LaValle right there stroking that one. He reaches first base as Eastern Connecticut was in search in this game of its 10th win of the season against just 4 losses, and they ended up winning it by that final score of 10-1.